Hey guys, this is Lexi, aka Zeno Gray. Thank you so much for always tuning into Richard Brown Films. We love and appreciate you guys always. So I would love for you guys to head over to my music channel. That's ZAYNOGRHY. Again, ZAYNOGRHY. That's my official music channel. And I would love for you guys to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. I'm trying to get myself to 1,000 subscribers. I'm already at 636, and I would love for you guys to support me. As a matter of fact, if you don't run go over there and you don't like the music, don't subscribe. But you see, if you don't go over there and I don't like my song, maybe gonna subscribe. That's how confident I am in my music. So do head over there. If you have to pause the movie, run, go, run, come back. All right. So peace and love to you guys always.
Common law is about what it constitutes, what you're entitled to, when, if the relationship ever ends, because certainly that is a grey. Common law, pretty prevalent in Jamaica, yes? And common law is what, is 5 years?
Well, yes.
So at
A
5
single
years,
man-
you're legally
That's-
common law
Single
relationship.
man, single woman, so a married man can't live with a woman and claim a common law union,
Right.
and vice versa.
So matey cannot be.
That's right. Matey, where the other side of the arm, the
Yeah.
couple.
Let's look then at the entitlements. The difference between the entitlements when you're married
Yeah.
and you separate to when you're in a common law relationship and you separate. What are the differences?
Well, the idea behind policy, which was translated into law, is to make sure that there isn't a difference.
Oh.
Uncle Seabird.
Not here.
What about Uncle Sharifa?
What boy?
How's your Uncle Seabird there?
You don't know, say I'm gonna work. Them hours, yeah.
Oh, I'm medical look for stills.
Oh. You put something in the fridge?
No, I'm gonna put mine in there.
So,
I just say,
so who fat one that you drink? You know it's a fat one?
Uncle Seabird. Me say me can take whatever I want when I come here. Anytime I
You
say the
cannot
time.
take whatever you want when you come here, big boy.
Alright, my name Doe Big Boy. My name Javi. My uncle tell me say, me fi come look for him so I can take something for drink when I come here.
Big boy, you know, say you're how much now?
I'm 16.
Yeah, 60 days, you just come in at people place early morning and
What
just
you mean,
open fridge
come-
and just start drink out of
What do you
people's
mean me
fridge.
come a people place? I'm my uncle place.
You don't have no manners, man. That is disrespectful.
What that disrespectful?
You buy juice, put in there.
No, but my uncle buy drinks.
You
put
buy
in.
anything, put in there.
No, you buy nothing put in there? Me just a ask.
Big boy, you know you're too out to order. Big boy, are you still there charging the blasted juice and I look for me? When make a dry ice, you know me know 16-year-old I have job and 2 pitney already.
Where me-
Why you not gonna look work?
When me I go look word, me a 16. My uncle tell me say me can't come here and drink something. And you
No,
really
sir,
just
no,
make your
man.
drink start showing on my face?
Give me the juice.
No. Give me the drink. Cause my uncle said me can come here whenever I want and get anything for drink.
Oh, the family I'm not real.
Cause you just dash straight drinks in my face.
Go on, Javi, go on, big boy.
I not even do nothing bad.
The family are different.
You Bert, where you going in?
But yeah, what you up to?
Yeah, man, where Javi there?
I just talk about Javi, you know, saying left, saying going on here. Yeah, to link you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I see him, you know, I told me I come and I tap down on one girl there down the road there. So, that's why I probably don't see him. But brother, I mean, I tell you, say, today I had my youth. The place just toxic, brother. Toxic. Me don't know what else to do, brother, but Sheriff, I come like say, I saw mad girl, brother. Every minute.
Well, to be honest, me think so, but I know you're Sheriff out and left still. But the fact that you're not still there together, still, if you place toxic, you don't have to do something to fix that. Because if it's toxic, you are go unhappy and she are go unhappy.
Imagine, me and her there. And the last time me and her even do not have no sex, brother. After Valentine's Day. I know we in August.
Well, see,
If we try to do nothing, she have some form of excuse, brother. And, brother, I just need her for
well, that's your answer, you know. That's why I place toxic. Because if you and she not have sex, the place are toxic. So you have to go do something to get rid of her out of your house. But the only thing, if you and she not have sex, the place are toxic. But the thing about the toxic relationship, if you and him fi break up and left, a long time you and she there, she a common law wife. So you know how you law go already. Common law wife, almost a wife. So
What do you
you
mean come on, wife?
might get half of what you have.
Yeah, but see, mad, brother, I mean, I work so hard for not what me have, brother, for no man can take it from me, but no, come on, what? Before somebody get me shot with my shit, brother. Oh,
Well, ignorance and the law, nah go work, my brother. Me only make you know.
brother, a construction me I do for over 15 years. And what me accomplish out of construction, me nah make no woman can take that from me. Oh,
Well, the law is the law. So here we do. So when you grow on, just ensure so you tell Javis to forward background, because I don't want him to on the road too late. You hear that?
yeah, man. But you're not, so you're not give me one little brother or something, sister, something in that place, making you have something for you.
No, so I'm too old for that, you know. One good enough for me. In him, we can't take care of me. That good enough.
Brother, me am 53 and I see me get one young pit the other day, the 2-year-old.
Good for you. You still at Chap Bush.
But anyways, if I see him, me tell him. But look come on.
All right, later.
Yeah. I can't frighten Mr. Boss. Can't frighten Mr. Man. Man,
Uncle
just...
Seabird.
Sure, me I see that taxi driver boy almost bunks me. Around the yard me I come from and your papa tell me say up a yard. You gone up a yard, but...
Yeah, I'll get somebody there, man.
Up there I come from?
Yeah, me this see Auntie Sherifa.
See Auntie Sheriff around there?
Yeah, but you know what say, one little thing up out the door.
What happened?
You know something I feel like Auntie Sherifa like me door. Me go in the fridge. Cause you know see you always tell me say when me come my house, me can't just take out anything more want.
Yes, because it's my place.
Yeah. Everything you do, you buy everything in the fridge. Me take out one little juice and shag one the most sweet. Say, if me put in the fridge, I'll make it juice all dash in my face. Yeah.
Allah ya tell, listen. As me go up, me I go deal with that. Cause you're my favorite nephew and there's no way you're supposed to go up on my yard and go take out little something out
Exactly.
of my fridge.
Exactly.
And for me, she can tell you that.
Yeah, cause I just want a little juice, you know.
Yeah, well, go and go. Go and go drink some. Buy me water.
This year, you know, uncle.
Yeah, buy water.
Cause you're my favorite uncle, you know.
I am my favorite nephew. Me I go up on my yard, right?
This year.
This is one that I can't deal with them and cross his head on my place. I need to talk to you. I just see Javier pass me out the road a while ago. And me see me tears in his eye. He tell me, say, he come up here, he just come get some juice and he wait how you answer him. He say, wait how you deal with him.
How me answer him? How me deal with him?
I wasn't here, no. But I'm a little nephew. I'm a no saying
Alright, I your little nephew and I am your woman and me cannot talk to him. Him go in the fridge. Every time him come here, him head straight to the fridge. And him don't ask for nothing in there. If me have something in there put down for somebody, him just have him way. I'm enough to talk to him as your little nephew.
Sure.
That is what you're saying.
Sherifa.
No, I'm tired of this though.
No.
Because the simplest thing me doing here is it cause a problem. Right?
Sherifa. First thing, if Javi come over here and take little juice, you're not supposed to have no problem with it. Because one, when you work here money, you're not like say you buy nothing put in here or nothing like that. You know, and like say you buy put in there. I feel me little money, buy a little something and I'm a little nephew. So if he come here and take little something, nothing supposed to wrong with it.
You see, that is why I don't like having conversations. I don't like arguing with you, because it's the first thing you're ready for say anytime me out meet. I don't buy anything put in here. Okay, so that means say, as the woman of the house, I must not watch how the things them come in and go out, right? I must not be able to talk to your family them. It's you always give your family them strength over me. Why? Eh?
Me give my family strength over you?
That's what I said.
First thing first. Me not happy for her, you know. Let me tell her that, you know. Because last time me even do nothing, no intimacy. It was on Valentine's Day. I know in August. So what you try to say?
Then you really stand up and start complaining about intimacy and do nothing. Eh? When every time you come for me at the same time you come off. Eh?
You know what? Sherifa, let me tell you this. I'm a big man.
Look, you know about my soul, man. Nobody my soul, man.
Me about your soul, let me tell you this.
You are talk about you not happy. If you check the levels, I'm make you say me not happy. Eh? How much time you go to road for me? I'm sit down in here and take all of that. Me take everything from you. All of your bullshit. So something wrong if me play the woman of the house one time people come in here and disrespect it? Me not for talk out of my mouth?
So on it. I say you feel like say you want come talk to me now. Me understand say me get one picnic out of a relationship. Me understand say me get one picnic out, but that no mean nothing.
And if you never stand up on your firm and you say give me 10 more solid in this seabird. So what you mean by?
Sheriff, I'm gonna tell you this. Zane, I'm gonna listen to me good. About 4 years now, made. See?
5.5.
Well, it not to make no sense about I put the 1.5 year on it because it don't make no sense.
No, it makes sense.
Listen to me.
Believe me, it makes sense.
5.5 years made.
And what?
What we accomplish out of 5.5 years?
What do you mean what we accomplish? What you accomplish? You give me a heartbreak, you broke and break me heart, take care of me go, you carry me come. What do you mean what you accomplish?
Sheriff, me work hard for this place. You hear me I tell you? Me work hard for everything what me have in here, so.
And me work hard to keep you happy. You still tell me say me not happy. Me not make you happy and me cold and me this and me that. Eh? Look at that.
Me just think so we need to just break it off, right? Yeah, so just break it off, just call it a day. You just move, go back up to your people and just call it a day. Because you see, if me not happy, the place not gonna happy, me I tell you. If me not happy, the place not gonna happy, me I tell you. I'm tired. Me tired for every time I come in here. Me can't even touch you. Me can't even rub it down or nothing like that. If me touch you, you start sound like a hooligan, like a World War III. When me come in from work, me supposed to can come and lay down side of my woman and my woman greet me and hug me up and then sitting there. You laugh.
5.5 years. And you go look at me today there and tell me say, you want we left. You want we broke up. You feel that's a broke up, girl? If me and you broke up today, Seabird, today, the bed has to broke in half. The fridge has to broke in half. The house, the car, everything. What you have has to broke in half because
you have sense.
5.5 years that make me your common law wife and me don't chat to you. So if you want left, me not have a problem. You can go on. Because you don't really add nothing to my life. But if you are left, just left me with my half. That's all me I say. Don't talk.
Mr. Say you don't have much sense, you know. Mr. Say you don't have much sense. And you come like a mother want me get mad in this. A mother want me get mad. Eh? You want me lose my temper in here?
Then you not lose it. Just like we're gonna lose half of everything.
You know what? I'm go have a drink and come back, you know, because Mr. said this not go end well. Here, this not go pretty. Because if I didn't want to, me just, yo, God no, me kick you down, you know, girl.
Kick that home.
Now you.
You must feel like I say, the black belt me have, I only for put her on waist. You would have to promise me that, Seabird. Me not ask you.
Oh, come out of this place, I am saying I'm mad, girl.
You look like a madman. The only thing I feel if you start name out a rubbish pan. Out of order. 5.5 years now me account. Eh? Come on, fix quick.
You know, if you lick me so hot still, you know. You know, if you lick me so hot. So what is what?
Since as you want left and you want broke up, this signifies my half and that is your half.
You come like you're sick in your head. Take up a rope. You know, me can't deal with this. Oi. No bother with it, man. No bother with it.
Listen, man.
No.
Don't touch me. Lock off the lights when you're ready for go your bed.
So.
If you think you're bad, touch me.
Come like say because I'm a film place, you know. You know that though.
selfish.
Sir, lock off the light and not touch me, no man.
Oh God, look on the time and nobody no come to me yet. Want to come on in, I want the money because the kids them school fee have to pay and I not see nobody yet. No sir.
Madam,
Spin a roll. Come now. I see a problem them, you know. Them heavy.
morning, Mother Gizada. I have a serious problem where I want you to. I don't know if you can help me with it. But it's so serious, I just want it urgent when I want. Look. I live with this woman for about 4.5 years. She say a 5.5, but a 4.5. You see? And me and this woman there for how long? She don't know how nothing come about in my place, you know. She don't know nothing about my success or how me achieve nothing at all.
And
But
she nagging.
she nag me she nag me go, she nag me come. You see? She don't know nothing, how nothing buy.
And she love your things them.
She use it like a theme.
That black woman there.
Oh, you know, say she black Mother Gizada.
Black and thick and ugly.
Mother Gizada, it come like a right place me come, Mother Gizada. But as me I say, she same one. Me? Mother Gizada, you frighten me. I tell you, you frighten me. As me I say, I want to get her out of my place. Hold on there. See, as she call me. Hello, where you call my phone for?
What you mean when I call you for? Why you would have left the empty bottle? I mean, I try sight. Why you would have left the empty bottle in the fridge? You drink out all of the water and put by the empty bottle. Me say me head.
What you mean? It's my fridge. If me feel like someone left empty bottle in my fridge or put garbage in my fridge, I feel my fridge. I'm a place you have to come out. Come out of my place.
No man. Look like me I work with you. So you see because me I work with you, no worry yourself. I better say come get a surprise. I bet you.
You see, you see, me up on the road. Me up on the road and I call my phone like me there. You not tap give me loving for how much months now? Eh? I'm a place of you left. Come on from a blasted phone.
Alright. Can imagine my day I work all day and the place so hot. Eh? And not even one drip of water this man left in the fridge. Since that me I try for spite. Cause you don't know, so you never hear about me at Seabird. You don't know about the petty queen.
So me I tell about Mother Gizada, just get her out of my place for me. I don't know what you can do. Get her out.
You see, the same reason why she not left already? Cause she tie you. You didn't know that?
What do you mean tie me, Mother Gizada?
She tie you up in a one little place where you can't live. You want left and can't live. She have you one way, that's how you can't live good.
You,
She give you something where you love to eat because you love your belly too much. So she tie you.
you know some Mother Gizada, I chew your talk. Because me don't know what is what. This is that woman and I give me no loving, you know. But she's still in my place all long. So I don't know what purpose she really serve. It's like every time I work on money, Mother Gizada, me have to give her it. And then what she do with it? She go buy a wig. And the wig then never fit good pan her head yet, you know, Mother Gizada. The wig then never fit good pan her head yet. But as me I say, I know that me come about, Mother Gizada. Just get her out of my place, man. Cause me just want a fresh starter now in my place. Me need to feel comfortable in my house.
Alright, stop there, so. I coconut up on the veranda with one cutlass coffee carry come. Can you need cleansing from all of those things where you go eat?
I'm gonna cook my knife.
Barky. You see these quick stick above your head? Me go pick some gear when I go home, you boil and you drink it. Cause you go belch with this now. But you have 3 more belch to belch, not here, so when I go home.
So if we just drink this,
Yeah. Drink every bit of it. But she want to tie up. Good man like you, she want to tie up. Yeah. Yeah. Drink more. Drink it.
well, Mother, me feel
Right
like
place at the right time.
me feel like a relief I come up on me.
Open your hand. So now I give you 21 of them. You can boil them and drink them 3 mornings straight.
Just boil it and just drink it same time.
Yeah.
All right, Mother. All right. So you say, and she come out of my place.
She have to. You not trust me.
I believe in her, man. Because if you tell me say she black and me never tell her say she black, I believe you. Me can't see you know what you do. You see? So, one people just boil this.
Boil it. One more thing.
You don't look, Mother.
Look. You see this? It's a battle. No make you broke, you know. This have to permanently get rid of her.
So you said this good?
It have to good, you know. Place it underneath your bed or close to your bed. No make you see it. Don't make you see it and don't make it broke. If you broke, hey, it'll broke loose. Work and broke, no make it broke, but it'll go work.
All right. Thank you. You see, Mother Gizada?
Come back, sir, before you leave. Light 3 candle, you know, put it underneath the bed.
Mm-hmm.
But no burn down the house. No burn it down.
All right. Nobody bunny down?
No burn it down.
All right.
What about the pay, sir?
How much you forget, Mother?
40,000.
40,000? All right. You see, at first I come at my place, yeah. As somebody tell me, it's a little birdie pinch me and tell me, say, you tell me about you. So I did now a little $5,000 and me have a little fear night save here.
5 grand.
Yeah, only 5,000. I know if I can give me 1,000, I can just pay me fear for go back.
You serious?
Yeah, me just pay me fear for go back up on my yard.
You're gonna walk today. But make sure say after everything done, you come back with me 35,000.
Alright. Yeah, man, of course, mother.
If you not come back, you not go work,
If me even grown there right now and she move out, me carry come back on give. Me have in
If
me
you not come back,
in me account.
you have me to deal with,
Mother, believe me, I'm a man of my word.
So you want me 35,000. Remember that.
Alright. I'm a man of my word,
Now
man.
make you broke and light the candle them.
Yeah. I'm a man of my word. Alright, thank you, see?
Thank you more.
Sorry.
Shit. How? Go feed my pan come wipe up that in a cayenne and made it now.
So, you really put salt in the water?
You see me take anything and put anything anywhere? You really left the buckle in the empty buckle in the fridge?
Yeah, man. Everything there. Put that place apart.
Good afternoon, sir. I tell you, don't call me that when I answer the phone to me, Because I don't know who is around here and who is it. I notice I don't change my caller ID. Yeah, look how mystery is nice sometimes. What do you mean? Whatever. I have a problem up here, I don't know if you can come and help me out. Not that kind of problem. When you come and see, because I can't bother with this man, Alright, I'll wait. Okay.
Hello, good day. How go on?
Tell me.
So your husband, or your man, whatever.
I'm not seeing as just roommates.
Okay. So can talk to them things.
Chris, the real problem from my house still. Come here.
Something wrong with the fridge.
Something wrong with the fridge. The man locked up the chain out the fridge. So I'm not supposed to use the fridge. Tell me.
Yeah, so what kind of man this I have? When you lock up a fridge fire, you know love you.
You could have said it's not my man. I pity him, pity my mother, other than something, you know, somebody attention you want. But I just want everything in the fridge so I can live with them.
So you want me cut off with them or what?
Baby, just get it off.
This a man, I don't know what kind of man this I have. This a man really put off because this a man, I don't love the known talk. I say you have money. What kind of man this I have? Anyway, this a
Me
man,
never tell
what
us I'm
kind of
no
this
man.
I do?
Me never tell us I'm no man. What kind of woman that you have with your head look so?
No, don't worry about this. This is just a word plot.
Time hot son.
Yeah, man, the time hot with you. Say I sweat, I mean I sweat too. So, wherever that we can go, you know.
When you're done.
Hold on more better.
When you're done that, just make sure so I can get into that fridge there. And we talk about river.
Yeah, make certain say I can't get to that, man. So bring it outside and can cut it off.
Alright. I run him so.
Alright.
Sheriff, what kind of style are they? Eh? Me just step out of the house a while ago and I come here a while ago and see her cook some food. And I come back and no food not left for me.
Look, you buy food put down.
What do you mean if you buy?
Did you buy food put down?
So I
No, you're not buying no food. Whatever you left it in the fridge for how much months ago. That done a long time. And you never gonna make me dead for hungry in here. So I'm gonna take my money and go buy my food for eat my dinner. What a problem?
What do you mean? So I'm 20 times me did I buy things put in here. Eh? And you are eat out of it. Me there say something about it?
When you there buy things in here, me I eat out tight them that time they were there. Now we left. Now left you want. Go cook your own food, sir.
See,
Go on, man, I love
this is what me a talk about. This is what me a talk about.
My
me need space. Me need space. Me need to listen to me.
What is that money, man? Hey, go on.
Me don't think me need to eat at my place.
Hey, me bad murder, you know. Go on, you waste the man. Go on, Seabird. I want live in peace. See you off of the side there. Eh? I'm not supposed to cook a member you use not, my man.
Sherifa, please, me no want to go to jail. Hear me tell you? Me no want to go to jail. So you say before me got...
You make up your mind. What is wrong? What is the problem? And you come to me with this argument thing. Every day is our next argument that you say we left, you say you know, happy. So what is the problem? What is your problem?
I need my place. I need my space. Cause
so if you need space, what that have to do with me? My part half year off and you lock up, see there, you lock up a fridge. A man me have a call for come cut the lock to go in the fridge today. You come tell me, oh, you want food? And what me to do? I want me to stop the for you? Eh? Wicked man.
You know, this is the last time I go talk to you.
Talk to me? You're trying to wake me out of my sleep again, sir. Come on now, what kind of life this you live? You feel me careless? You come and tell me about life. I know you come wake me out of bed and tell me about food. But look, you want food and go on from right to someone allow me alone. What is?
Make sure you say belly for everything good. You hear that?
Everything off the good.
Other day when you come here, and Javi gone around here, you know so when Javi come, Javi has show me say, When he come around and take out one little drinks out of your fridge and the way how your woman are gone. You see, that is why I tell us a long time, so I not too like that woman there for left him long time, you know, brother.
Brother,
Little drinks.
Javi did tell me that before, when me left for some when I go. But, brother, it come like say a problem, brother. You know what your woman do? Other day, I see some bombs. I'll drink a little water. I'll let it empty back in the fridge because me did a hurry. I just put it back in the fridge. I say, I back, what am I going to do? Fly ticket. I left it in the fridge, so when I'm ready for it, I just pull it back, put it in there. You see me? So I left it back in the fridge. The man come call me a cuss. And then pull up the buckle of salt and put it back in the fridge. What can I say?
Actually, I'm pies, she pies you still, but you're wrong to drink and put it back in the fridge. I don't think it's style that. But she also wrong to put salt in the water. She could have pies you.
Brother, I just need her to left my place, brother. Kind of like say, me and her even want to get...
so what kind of step you make to get her out of your house?
Brother, me try everything where I could. Me chat to her verbally. I'll try all somebody I'll tell me about this mother woman, Mother Gizada.
Mother Gizada?
Mother Gizada.
Brother, Mother Gizada don't know nothing about what I do. A joke thing she depend. If you like a mumbo jumbo and sit where she go on with and your money she want. So just hear me I tell her say, the best thing you do, I probably try somebody else where know what them I do and get rid of that woman out of your life. Because she don't know good.
Brother, I actually even know my youth. Right now, I tell you, say, me stress out my youth. Cause me in a place, brother, I'm not happy none at all, dog. Me try everything, me not.
Yo. Just try to make that woman not stress you. Just try to make she not stress you. So, what were you just about to go?
No, say, I want a little girl, me have run the road. I want a link. She called me from Wednesday, she want a little sort out. What's up, brother?
Why you still around on your flesh? How when you're old, man?
Brother, you know, 53 years me depend on God, and 53 years me love me around young man. For a woman me love. Me and them type of man. Me and them man there. You see me want to make it world be fruitful and multiply. You see me want to see me little offspring then. Treat me gone already in a me little old age. Yo, hold on. You know the Dr. Jack pill them.
Me have couple pill in our house still. Me not really use them because me don't really have no woman right now, but me could carry two con give.
Just give me two of them now, man, because I don't know how to get it figure.
Alright, turn up right this. Hold this, I soon come back.
Alright, pa. Well, if you have a woman in our yard, you see me? I'll get some picnic if you can see Javi there. Him so left here, you know. Come on, get bigger now. Bigger now, him so left.
Alright, so here we go. See them? I peel them in, but me now give you a whole thing, only I give you two. So you can take one right now, and by the time you reach a woman yard, you're ready to go.
So just take one?
Yeah, and then you can save one for one next time. Alright. So hang your business, man. Go and hang your business. Finish sweep up me yard.
Alright, wait a sec. By the time we reach, we ready?
Yeah, man. Ready, man.
Alright. The girl want man choke him, you know. Shelly.
Who is it?
Seabird, man. Come here.
Who is that at the door?
Seabird.
Seabird, what you doing in my yard?
I'm ready for you, Shelly. I'm ready.
Ready for?
Shelly, you tell me, we see you yesterday, you tell me something calling you.
Seabird, do I look like you're a call girl to you? I know we used to fool around, you know. But I know every time you see the need you for come my man there and there, if you ever wait. Seabird, go in the yard. And why you judge up yourself, so?
Shelly, me pick one Dr. Jack. I'm ready. Shelly, I'm ready for you, Shelly.
Seabird, don't come close. You better fold that thing up. Fold it up and go in the yard.
Shelly, you're going to do me.
Where you woman? You know, woman. See that why you live with a woman around, so? That black girl.
Shelly, that the woman that's so left out of my place, Shelly.
I don't care. Seabird, I said fold that thing up because it's a print out in you. Fold it up and go in your yard. You hear that?
Shelly,
when you will come up, my man there, you hear me, some man there. What is wrong with you?
Please, Shelly, me, I beg you, please.
Seabird, listen to me. Blue bar's going to kill you. Take yourself and go in your yard.
Shelly, don't do me like this, man.
I don't know why I'm stand up so long and talk to you. Seabird, go left from the porch.
Yes, Joe. Yes, Joe. Yo, how are you going, sir?
What we go on?
How are you doing, man?
What time is it come home?
No, no, I need that. Yo! What kind of, where you now? Where are you going in? What kind of style is? Eh?
What kind of style we are talking about?
Oh, you're
What
free
kind
of
of style
man.
you are?
I say you want to come disrespect me.
Disrespect who? How may I disrespect you?
So you mean, what kind of free of money in my place?
Which part me bring money in your place? First of all, Miami that catch me now. Miami that catch me now. Because I don't understand, you know, the level of brightness so you the pan right now, you know, you come run with them. You know, see the plumber. You know, see the worker man. When you hire to fix the pipe from when? Eh? The pipe where you can't fix. And you come and rush the man with machete and rush the man. What you doing now?
Sheriff, I'm not tell you, I'm not tell you, I'm not tell you.
Tell that to my face and
I'm not tell you, if you don't make no man come in my place.
Man, you point out that in my face and make you joke me and my ear, because you're not going to like it, you know. Remember me, I tell you, you know. Seabird, ease yourself, you know, come in there, you know. I'm going to know how you get that to that level of brightness here, you know. Oh, come, remember, say, me, you're not there. Me, you're not there.
So me, you know, this, so what you doing here? Come out of my place, man.
Then I'm my half, I'm bringing you my half, I'm bringing them in. Excuse you, man. Come on, what kind of, what is?
You better make sure you come out here, because I make sure I go to station and go make a report about this, you know. Because I know I went to chop off a piece of your police can feel like you want to lock me up. Or what? Because I know how you feel like you want to come kill man in my place. So get a man in here. Or you come out too. Or what? That me I tell you.
Mommy. What going? You alright? You look nice too, my mother.
You alright?
Of course, me alright. Why would I ask if me alright?
Lord have mercy, me there. I wake up a place and say, me I come in your yard, come look for you now.
Come look for me?
Yes.
Like how long you not come look for me?
How you look so?
What do you mean how I look so, mommy?
Yeah, my daughter, you know.
Me say me alright. You always do them something here.
Hold on, I walk, you walk, come.
No, me did I bust my take.
You take bus on me there, I wake up a place and I sweat. Look, you laugh. Me say me there, I come look for you. Cause when time anything wrong, you know, so me know, you know, so your mother know, don't you?
Lord God, mommy, I tell you nothing is not wrong.
You sure?
For sure.
So me have to know the bush for?
Mommy, nothing is not wrong.
What for your man name again?
Here you know. Seabird.
See what?
Seabird, mommy.
Your name alright?
Yes, mommy.
See what you saying name?
Mommy, what your problem? Seabird, man name.
You know, so my spirit not take him though. My spirit don't take him. Spirit not take him.
The spirit never take a soul. From me I got high school till now.
Him. For me, spirit not take him none at all. But he name Seabird. Girl, look round here, so. Me say me can't wait for the day you left him. When I like him,
Mister, what you have against the man now,
me
mommy?
don't like him. Here what name Seabird.
And what?
All sort of destruction people gonna see. Go wash off, you know.
Mommy, you know, me not like them when I do them things, you know, man.
But you know how for your mother stay. You know, so me, when it come on to certain things, girl, put on your rake, yeah. Don't want it part of me, I will touch it go. All type of things people go on, go see, go on, you know. And all type of things see bird too. But he name Seabird.
But him man not control over him name, mommy.
Well, if nobody did name me Seabird, no that change my name. Me don't like him. Don't laugh.
Mommy, him man name Seabird and him done gone bad already. And I don't take him already. I done your son-in-law.
Me not accept that.
Yeah, you know, if you accept it, me accept it.
So you're sure so everything alright with you and him?
Yes, mommy, me alright. We just take all vacation and everything good. Everything alright. We are planning to have a baby and, you know.
A baby who?
A baby. A little baby.
Well, me no want nothing where you call Seabird Papa call me grandmama. Right there, so me I tell you, right there, so. Nothing where you call Seabird Papa, me no want to call me grandmama.
So why you vendetta against the man? What all of this?
My spirit don't take him. Me say my spirit don't.
Yeah, but mommy, I saw your spirit never take nobody. I don't think your spirit even take my father.
Yes, my spirit did take him until he hurt me.
Oh.
Up to the dog a cough. Up to the dog a cough. Hear that?
So I see bird.
There's something that a sign.
So I see bird make your dog a cough.
Let me get up. Hear how the dog a go on. A quiet, hear that? I want the dog a send out warning sound. The dog a one. I find you pick me by the dog then. And the dog grow with you. I your pet that. And as me talk about the man Seabird, hear how the dog a go along. Hear that? See that Jesus have mercy, God.
Mommy, what the problem? You know you're extra though.
Lord, not tell me some dream I go come true. This flowers I just drop so. My mother always tell me say, give me. When them flowers here drop a sign, anything you dream about come true. We get a vision for you last night, you know.
What kind of vision?
Let me look at it and say bush of ears. Let me see if nobody will hear me. All like animals they start make noise. Hear them. Jesus. Hear there. All the goat come. Hear there. Everything a ball for you. I go on with you now and tell me about. Talk to me now. You're my firstborn, you know. We don't want nothing to happen to you. Come get a vision last night.
What kind of
I
vision
see
in
all
you?
like animal them come with their sound and I make pure sound. A sign and this a rose a drop, Lord.
Mommy, you know me not believe in them vision something there. What kind of
So
vision?
you want to call your mother liar?
Me not call you liar, mommy. Me believe
Me
say your
ever
dreams.
vision nothing yet and you know go on in a workout. Talk truth. If you
Sometimes I just coincidence make them something there. But where you see? Where you see, mommy?
me see any man a live bad. And me a run you out of your house and me vision. Me vision see your grandmother come to me, you know. Pan one balling. And I say, why you must have yourself in that situation there? And now me a talk to you. You always pick up for that man there, you know. You sure say your animal live good? Look here. Me your mother. And me your best friend. You want to see me ball?
Me not.
You see anything you ma do and you hide it from me. You see when me go down a Nice City. You see when me go down a Nice City. Mine, you know. Me I warn you. Tell me truth. Cause me know say when time I dream I same way so I go. And see all of the animal then come make me even know confirmation. The animal
Me, the man
me
just...
understand animal language, you know. Talk to me. And tell me truth. Let me tell you where my dreams are.
Him just no want me in him house no more. Him say him want me not happy. So I for go on my ways and him go on film. But mommy, me and him there so long. I cannot just walk away from this. I'm not gonna do it.
And then you tell me see and him not have nothing. That you call not have nothing.
Me not feel like burden you with them something there.
So you never know, say. Look here. You don't ever know, say, your problem. From you have problem becomes my burden. I tell us I don't like him. Me not like him. Spirit not take him. The spirit don't take that man there. Spirit not take him.
But all him...
So tell me where you him have.
Mommy, I never opened up until this before, but that man have a baby mother and a baby. We are 2-year-old. So 2.5 years in a relationship in breed somebody. I still don't have to take it. Him go on with him ways go, him go on with him ways come. I will have time tell me for go on. And no man have no way figure.
Tappy.
Mommy, you look at one room can't hold the two of it.
Tappy. Me come out from bed and go down on the floor. But you don't have
And
no...
that me don't
you want to
want.
take disadvantage. And you make people take disadvantage with you. Hey, I know some grow you. But now I know me look at one room. Nah, this, I look at one room. Nah, that. Since when for me look at one room can't hold you? Eh? Since when?
I stay in that relationship here too long for just walk out with nothing, you know. I don't know how you do it with Papa, you know. But me cannot do it. Me work too hard for build this man,
I know people build house and build all sort of foundation. And me send you go to school. If you go build your own foundation, you tell me about you a build man. You alright, you know. You alright. I'm sure no say from your born, me never travel go to the country named China. Me never travel go down there so yet. And you're content about now. You are Bill man. You want to hear me vision say? You ready to hear the vision?
Mm-hmm.
Me say, got me bed last night. And me say me dream see your man. What your name? Seabird.
Mm-hmm.
Me say me dream see you want get you out of the house.
And you little girl, stubborn and say you nah come out. I shouldn't make you tell me nothing first and I should tell you that I shouldn't. But you see you, me no know all of a sudden he teach you everything, he teach you how to tell lie. You, a lie to me. But anyway, me say me dream seem.
I do.
I have candle a burn. Me see him. I burn up some wall for sitting and me see him with one little buckle in a me in a film vision. One little buckle. I don't know when I buckle, you know. But one thing me I tell you, be careful. Do not name nothing from him. And you see any overnight food you have, make him one yummy, don't eat it. I don't trust him. You hear me I tell you, little girl? You don't see you have no candle there?
No, I'm not seeing a candle or nothing like that way you describe. But me to be honest, you know, me all of this supernatural thing, it just, I know me, I know this from a longer time.
My mother used to tell me say young bird no know storm, but anyway, and one thing me I tell her, start use up your sense them. You know, for use your eye them alone. Use your sense them, how much sense God give you.
What do you mean?
What you mean what me mean? No ask me one straightforward question.
Yeah, but me don't know if you mean it literal or in a, you know.
Me ask you one straightforward question, little girl. How many senses God give you?
5.
How much of them you always use?
All of them.
You sure about that? You're not sure about that? You see you look for me? Use up the one you mostly. You feel use up the one that's smelling. So you see anything where you smell funny around the place? Check you out. Use your eye them. Let me see if you do. You see when you go on, you see same like you hear dog go on. Or something your dog know about, you know. So you go sniff and smell any funny thing and search down a place. You can't tell but you never see him with no candle. That the sense that alone you come like say, a whole lot uno. You want for your friend them me always see you come here with. A whole lot only know if you see. But no smell. And you hardly use your hearing, because anytime I chat to you, you're going like you no hear. You pretend like you no hear, little girl. Well, as you can't blame me. And say me never do nothing for you. Me make sure say you go to college, me ensure that. And you don't owe one student loan. All of my saving, me ensure. Me send you go to college. And me never send you go to college for you come out if you can't tell me about now you a bill man. Yeah, alright, me have something that put on for you. Me I go for it, bring come give you. So you figure out yourself and figure out your life, yeah? Figure out your life. You figure out yourself and your life.
All right, good Alton. Shaquana, whatever you do, don't move.
Get up.
I'm go have a drink and come back, you know, because Mr. said this now go end well. Here, this now go pretty. Because if I didn't want him, me just, yo, God no, me kick you down, you know, girl.
Kick down who?
Come again. Ready now?
Anybody someone
You
can
never
what
tell
kind of
someone,
man
man.
is a deal?
But never tell some man. What kind of man that you have with your head looks so?
No, don't worry about this. This is just a work blood. We go on and keep, you know, say it
Tell
brother.
you so come and watch it and touch us on Facebook.
The right time I got to it, you do it, man. No rest. Right time I got to it. You know what I'm
I want to tell you so come and wash your hair. Come and carry them at the show. I ain't telling me so the right time still come.
That's good, yeah. That's cool.
The pipe where you can't fix.
Me not-
And you come and rush the man with machine and rush me. Man, what you doing now?
Sheriff, I'm not tell us,
Man, take that to my face and make
Me not tell us if you don't make no man come in my place.
Oh, me, man.
I'm telling you, remind him so you ain't not there.
Yeah, me get you now.
Ah, God.
So I hit that jealousy for. As me I say, Mother Gizzard, see how one little lizard on your head there. Where?
I don't show you that now.
Yeah, that run. We know how to. As me I say, me want to get her out of my place. Well, oh, hold on there. Well, see, as she a call me. Hello, where you call me phone for?
Shelly! Shelly!
Who is that at the door?
Seabird!
Who is it?
Seabird, come here now, girl.
Seabird, what you doing in my yard?
We're ready for you, Shelly. We're ready.
Ready for?
Ready you.
Seabird, are you crazy?
So you tell me if you take a Dr. Jacob, we're ready for you.
So what that have to do with me? That not have nothing to do with me.
Lock your door. Lock your door.
Seabird, excuse.
Please, I'm the bigger. Little something.
Excuse.
Little something.
Go to the yard.
Lock your door now,
Go to the
girl.
yard.
Lock your door now, girl.
We never know you actually
Sit there, go in.
We never know you actually mean that, you know. We never know you mean that, you know.
I forgot River. Forgot River.
We never know you mean that.